Hi everyone, I'm Miss Elisa. I'm gonna be your teacher in this level 6. Okay, this is very important information, so pay attention please. Let's see. Okay, the evaluation. The criteria will be 3 exams, okay, 10% each exam. There are gonna be 3 evidences. Each of them, it's gonna be 11.6, 11.6, and 11.8. The 3 of them will be at 35% of the final grade. So be careful, okay, with your evidences. The laboratory will be 15%. I'm going to explain in a minute what is this laboratory about. And the final project or integrated project, or in Spanish called PIA, will be 20%. Okay, this image is already on the wall of your territorial, okay? So the most important here to focus on is evidence 1 will be for, you have to upload it or submit it before September 11th, okay? Remember, 8 a.m., okay? 8 a.m. And the next activity will be the laboratory activities of phase 1. That will be before September 23rd, okay? Remember, 8 a.m. The exam, or yes, in this case, the exam will be only on September 25th, okay? The whole day will be available, and it's gonna be until 11:30 p.m. at night, okay? And here is the rest of it, but we're gonna focus on these 3 things that will be for this September, okay? Attendance and activities. Attendance to virtual classes are very important. Activities to do will be every week. So it's very important to attend your virtual classes. Remember, we're going to be practicing a lot of vocabulary. We're going to be learning about different sports. We're going to be listening, and I want you to speak, okay? So we're going to focus on this level 6 on speaking, writing, and listening, okay? Remember, there are going to be 3 exams, okay? The exam number 1 will be about unit 1 and 2. Exam number 2 will be about unit 3 and 4. And exam number 3 will be about unit 5 and 6. Okay? They're going to be online, okay? What about the evidences? Will be, the first evidence will be based on unit 1, evidence 2 will be based on unit 2, and evidence 3 will be based on unit 5. There will be about writing and speaking, okay? Both basic skills we're gonna focus on. What about the laboratory? Okay, in this case, there are gonna be activities that you're gonna upload, okay? And for example, on phase 1 will be 5 activities, phase 2 will be another 5 activities, and phase 3 will be also 5 activities. Upload the activities in the homework section in Territorium according to the phase, okay? These are already available in the section of homework. What about the final project, or also called PIA? Okay, that will be an oral presentation and will include the 6 units seen in class. Now, virtual classroom rules, very important, okay? Please check sound and video, be on time, raise your hand to participate, and let's see, another important thing, find a quiet place, okay? Use a simple background, be respectful, follow the agreements of the group. Please mute the microphone when not speaking, okay? When not speaking, please mute the microphone. And important, okay? Be taking notes, okay? You have to be taking notes. So have a notebook for your class, okay? It's important. Why? Because you're going to be learning new vocabulary, okay? And it's important for you to write it. So tomorrow, well, according to my schedule, every Tuesday and Wednesday at 11:20, we're gonna be in class, okay? In these meetings, virtual classes. The rest of the days that will be on Friday, you will be working on your laboratory activities, okay? And we're gonna be also working in our forum. So, hope that this was clear enough for you. Any questions, please let me know, okay? So, see you, bye-bye.